Good evening, Pinewood, and today I bring you an exclusive look at the developments in the Pinewood Builders Oil platform. So this presentation was made by Roblox Guy 6403 and Kevin Blues 1. Let's get started. We will first start off with some frequently asked questions, and the first question is, when will the Pinewood Oil platform open? The answer to that is it is projected to open earlier or later than March 31st, 2015, so sometime in March for sure. The second question is, how many floors will it have? And the answer to that is 12 floors to discover and play around in. So the third question is, who is making the oil rig / platform? It is Kevin Blues 1, Roblox Guy 6403, and Nude 563. You can thank them for all of this wonderful development they have done. Alright, so this question is, what power source will the facility have? And this facility will utilize a reactor core with uranium rods. Kind of like the Pinewood computer core, but that's like a reactor core, not uranium rods and whatnot. So yes, there's that. Where is the oil platform based? The oil platform is based in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, so that's on the west coast of the United States, if you know your geography. Alright, so this last question is, what will there be to do there? And the answer to that is, you will work to convert and produce oil to turn into server profits, which I guess you could use to buy gear and gear and whatnot in the game. Oh, I guess there's more questions, but let's get started. How many parts does the Pinewood Builders oil platform currently have? And it has around 10,800 bricks. Wow. The next question is, and I think this is the last question, the oil platform has a reactor. Will it have a meltdown? And yes, it is possible. However, we have another exciting event being planned that could be more fun than explosions every hour. Huh. That sounds promising. Alright, time to jump into some information about the Pinewood Builders oil platform. So the overall status is around 50% or up. Because the construction phase is structural, the construction status is a slow pace. Of course, everyone's busy with school and whatnot. And the priority is fill empty spaces. And so they're working on details and whatnot and finishing out the rest of the stuff. We'll go more in depth in just a few seconds. So it's been temporarily stalled due to Kevin Blues 1 developing maps for Sim Builder. Okay, so there's more news there. Okay, so for the Pinewood Builders oil platform, some planned features are an oil platform crane, an oil platform funnel, an underwater oil wells, oil spill events, and that's on slide 21. Wow, I got a lot of slides here. Lifeboats in case of an emergency, I'm assuming, and a helipad. Oh, just like on the HQ. Remember those days? I still have a video on it. Go check out the video on my channel. Yes. A workout gym, a conference room, light klaxon alarms. Okay, so alarms. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce that. But okay, so there's a clinic there for any health emergencies. That's really nice touch. Lockdown system, and this is subject to removal. Floor directory, an elevator from level 1, from the first level to the 12th floor. There will be platform support beam level access, oil pipes going into the water, and either of those two are subject to removal. All of this is all planned and subject to change, so all of this can change completely. There could be no oil platform. No, I'm just kidding, there is. Oil pipes going into the water, reduction of script loops to avoid lag spikes and possible disconnections. That is key, if you do not know. Okay, so now it's time to move on for some general info. The code name is PBOP, aka the Pinewood Builders oil platform. It is located in the Pacific Ocean, and the opening date is March 31st, 2015. That is estimated. So the type of this facility, it is an oil rig, and a research facility, and an outpost. So you can expect to see a ton of stuff going on here, lots of activity. A description of this would be a massive oil platform that serves as a remote research facility and a place to call home. Alright, time to move on to some typeface info. Here's a list of fonts used in the Pinewood Builders Oil platform. Helvetica Neue, Criticize, Prototype. Yeah, you could just read through this. Not anything that important, maybe for some developers, but yes, it's there. Alright, now it's time to move on to the living sector info. This is located on level 8. There are 12 to 13 rooms available. There are 3 one-person bedrooms. There are 8 two-person bedrooms and 2 three-person bedrooms. The rental costs for these are free, and the rental duration is unlimited, and that is based on the server, not data store, or so I'm assuming. But rental duration unlimited, that probably means just for the server. For utility level info, this is 1A. I'm not sure what all this means, but I mean, yeah, this is here. It's probably going to progress over time, but this is located between level 1 and level 5. The machinery on this level, there are oil tanks, distillation towers, and cooker units. Now, for utility level info 1B, it is located on level 1. There, machinery are a furnace, fuel oil tanks, bitumen tanks, I really don't know what that is, and LPG tanks. So wow, this is very detailed, as you can see, and you can just check out all these pictures here. All these nice pictures, nice graphics. Wow, this looks amazing already. Is this in just a sneak peek? Alright, so utility level info 2, this is also located on level 2. I think this is the same thing as up here. Okay. The machinery on here is gas compressors, diesel tanks, and lubricating oil tanks. Very detailed, and these are flammable. I'm not sure if they explode, but I think I touch up on that in the later part of the presentation. All right, so utility level info 3. This is on level 3. There are oil gas separators, natural gas tanks, kerosene tanks, and emergency coolant located all right here. Critical to our mission on an oil platform. Alright, now it's time to move on to the reactor info. This is the exploding stuff like in the core. Okay, so this is a nuclear reactor. It has steam and uranium ore. The cooling system is liquid nitrogen, and the components are steam turbines, mega condensers, and reactor core. The reactor location is on levels 1 through 4. Control room location is also on level 4. The max temperature is 3,000 degrees Celsius, aka 5,432 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so the XYLEM or Xylem tech room is located on level 7. It is group only accessed, and it is a classified meeting room. The veterans room is also located on level 7. It is group only, and it's a classified meeting room. Alright, now the Pinewood security room, this is for the PBST security barracks, or I don't think this is the barracks, because the barracks are coming up next. This is located on level 12. This is group only, and it is an armory. So yes, that's an armory, a garrison. Now the PIA room is for the Pinewood Intelligence Agency. That is located on level 12 and is group only, and it's also a classified meeting room. Now here is one of my favorite divisions is the Pinewood News Network. They get their own broadcast studio on the oil platform in the Pacific Ocean. It is located on level 12, and it is accessible to the public. Let's hope there's no live intrusions on a broadcast. I think we can handle it. So this is basically offices and a broadcast studio. Very nice. Alright, now moving on to part 3. This is a triggable Pinewood Builders Oil Platform events. Please note this is all still work in progress and not finished. There is an oil spill event. This oil spill will be caused by high pressure in oil tanks, which will burst the tanks, causing them to explode. Currently, the oil spill is a planned event, and pictures will be uploaded when pictures can be taken. And I believe that is it for the slides. Okay, no, this is the last slide. It is the Pinewood Builders Oil Platform will feature a self-destruct system, and please note this is subject to removal. As always, the self-destruct system is triggered when the reactor goes beyond its maximum temperature, and it is at the brink of a meltdown. Currently, the self-destruct system is still subject to removal to avoid lag and similar issues found in the Pinewood computer core. Alright, I think that is the last slide for that. Yes, it is. I thank you for watching, And please pause, take a look at all of these pictures here, as this is the best sneak peek we have of the oil platform without visiting it. So please go through here, make sure you get all the info you need, and yeah, thanks for watching this little nightly newscast or daily newscast. Yes, this is nightly. Sorry, I still gotta plan these things out, but thanks for watching, and please watch more PNN videos. Like this video, subscribe, and do all that other stuff. Comment down below if you liked it. Thanks a lot for watching. See ya.